Currently, I'm holding a gold trade. I'm gonna show you guys. So, currently, I'm holding these gold buys. Price bought up this morning. One sec. I gotta like turn the notifications off. Notifications be getting on my nerves. Anyways, I'm currently holding this gold trade. I want to show you guys this. It bought up this morning to exactly where I wanted it to go, such in that area on the daily time frame. So as you can see over here, we had a lot of selling pressure over there. So that's where I wanted price to go to. Price ended up getting up to that level. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this. Go here. Price ended up buying up to that level, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that wick. You see that wick? Price ended up buying up to that level, but I was asleep. So as you can see, it's 11:09, right? It's 11:09. That's in Canadian time. So in Vancouver, it's 11:09. But in New York, if we go here, clock, in New York, it is 2:09. So I woke up this morning at 8 o'clock, which was actually like 11 something, right? So I didn't close the trade. I wasn't up for this. Sadly, I wasn't up for this trade when it bought up. I was still asleep. I woke up at 8 o'clock and it was already 2 hours into New York session here. So with that being said, I'm still kind of back holding a little bit. I'm not scared because price bought up pretty strong. There's nothing telling me right now to close this trade. Everything still looks bullish, minus the correction. So correction's happening right now. It's not bothering me until price makes a lower high, if that makes sense. So right now, this could just be a pullback to make a higher low and continue higher. That's my mindset right now. The daily time frame, I'm not scared of the wick because there's been times where price has wicked out. So if we can see over here, I'll kind of show you guys so you can kind of get the gist. You can see where price dropped here and it had a huge wick, but it still ended up going back down, right? So wicks to me don't really matter because wicks can tell lies. In my personal opinion, wicks can tell lies. It tells that price has attempted to go in that direction, but it doesn't necessarily mean that price has failed to go in that direction. A closed candle will always tell me prices, hey, this is it. That's where we're going. So closed candles is what I look at the most. So yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about this. And we got 2 hours and 48 minutes left on this too as well. So I'm definitely not stressing about anything. Just kind of sitting here chilling, looking at my trade. I got my alert set. Price is still looking pretty bullish. And yeah, we're still looking good. We're still chilling. The target amount for this is going to be probably like $4 to $5 million. I'm pretty sure I hit that price when price was up there, but like I said, I didn't close when I was up there, or I wasn't awake when price got up there. You can literally see how close it was to the TP. But it is what it is. Comes with the game, so I'm not pressed about it, and I'm not over leveraging or anything. I'm just staying calm and seeing what price is gonna do from here. But as you can see, it's 11:12. We got 2 more hours because you can see it's 2:12 in New York. So anytime you're trading gold, make sure you're trading in New York session. So if we go here, turn on New York session, you see how when price is in the highlighted zones, that's when you see the max volume. That's when you see a lot of volume hit. That's when you should be trading. So that time is almost over. As you can see too as well, even if we was looking at wicks, price wick down here, but look where price closed at. Still higher than the previous high. So the level that was pushed off of, so you can see here. I'm trying to do this for you with one hand. You see this right here? You see how price pushed off this level? That means there was a big amount of buyers sitting here and they pushed price. So now price is respecting that. So the structure is being respected by not breaking this level and breaking under this level, so it closed higher. So buyers are kicking in stronger and stronger. Now they just need to hold up. So buyers at this point need to hold up price. So with all that being said, the volume's almost done for today. So yeah.